Good morning. It is 9 a.m. right now, and I need to get out of bed. I was planning on getting up a little earlier, but I just had like just a lot going on. I'm gonna get my schedule back on track. Oh my goodness, like if I could, yeah, it's just a lot on my mind. So yesterday though was my first day of work at my new job in downtown LA. And so that was cool. It was a really good day. Everything was super simple at work. I really like the place that I work at. I really like the building, like the views and everything. I posted a video on my TikTok of like my first day of work and getting there. I'm not the best at editing at all. Any like yet, okay, so yet. Um, so it's but yeah, it was my first day, and y'all, we get to eat for free every day. Like, you get a free meal every day, and I work at this really nice restaurant in downtown LA. And I swear, I can't wait to just like, yeah, try more foods and stuff, and like check out things I've never tried before. Cause your girl ain't ever been somebody who's been to like them fancy restaurants and those like nice places and stuff. Like, even here in LA, I've been like one, yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. I get to try a bunch of food and things that like I've never tried before, and this is a really cool atmosphere. Like, it's super dope, artsy, every like it's just so dope, cool as fuck. But yeah, I'm about to get out of bed, and we're gonna start the day. I Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start the day. Let's just do it.
Percocets, big fun, Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocets, big fun, represent, yeah, gotta represent, gang, gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, big fun, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on, big fun, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on, big fun, Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun, chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch, big fun, mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, gas on, never lied on.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that.
Okay, so I just had breakfast. I was planning on going to the gym, but I feel like something a little more important at the moment is me getting a therapist. Yeah. So I have Medi-Cal with California. I'm gonna go ahead and try to maneuver the website, I guess, to see if I can find the list of doctors or whatever in my area that I could probably see, or start calling like the different offices to see if they accept my insurance also. So yeah, I really want to get into therapy so I can just talk about all the stuff that I have on my mind that like I don't feel like I should, be having to tell just anybody and everybody about. Like it's stuff going on in my mind, which is normal, and I really just got to work through a lot of things. So I would really like to see a therapist. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm on my bed. Yeah, I just kind of got comfortable. Look up some info on Medi-Cal and see if I can get a therapist today. That'd be so awesome. Honestly, I would literally cry with happiness. But yeah, I was watching Lena Deeb on YouTube. She's so awesome. So soothing to watch her, very inspirational. Yeah, she's dope. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully when I check back in, maybe I have a therapist or some kind of update that's a good one. Okay, so good news, right? I think, yeah, okay, I'm hoping so, and I'll pray some of that, like, this just goes well with the whole therapy and everything. But I ended up so I called Medi-Cal, and I was on hold for over an hour the first time. I hung up because I was like, I feel like I already know how this is gonna go. They're just gonna be like, oh, you called the wrong place, and now we have to fucking redirect you somewhere else, and that's gonna take you another fucking hour and a half to get somebody else to answer, and then tell you that they can't answer you or some shit. So I just was like, fuck that. I hung up. Then I tried calling again, but like choosing different options or whatever for the call to go, and still waited for like another 30 minutes, and then just hung up. Just was done with calling Medi-Cal straightforward. So then I called this other number, which honestly I'm gonna go ahead and add it just in case like anybody ever needs it. I don't know how it's gonna go. I hope it goes well. It was basically a I'll put it here, but it was let me see, what is it called? I'm gonna put it here in the name of it, but basically it was like a number you call, and they can refer you to places in your area that take your insurance, like Medi-Cal if you have it. If you're in California, I called this number where they like can refer you to places in your area for you to see like a therapist or just like mental health centers and stuff. So yeah, I called them. I talked to this guy. He was pretty like nice and stuff, and he asked me a bunch of questions, and I answered honestly because I really genuinely would like some help. And yeah, he ended up being able to refer me to this mental health center that's like near my apartment. So I'm gonna go. So I'm supposed to hear back from them in 3 to 5 business days to like I guess set up an appointment or like an intake type of thing. So that'll be cool. I hope that goes well. Okay. So yeah. Now I'm gonna start getting ready for work. I want to leave my apartment by 1:45 to make sure that I get to work on time with no issues, and hopefully I don't get lost or something. This is my second day going to work in downtown LA, taking the train, the metro. Yesterday I took it, it's more so on my TikTok, but I took the train to work and I ended up getting lost. I had gotten on the wrong train, had to get off, get back on, going in the opposite direction, yada yada yada. Got to work on time still, thank goodness. And yeah, hopefully the train ride goes a lot smoother today, but I'm making sure to leave like I'm making sure to leave like almost 2 hours before I have to be there, so that way I just don't have the issue of being nervous of being late or anything like that. Just trying to be prepared or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, get ready for work, and do that.
For myself a day, count my biggest shit. It's the stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
Okay, so I ended up changing my outfit like fucking 3 times. Literally it's just the skirt and the shirt now with the jean jacket, but I had to go to fucking Rite Aid and get deodorant. I'm also kind of like a little frazzled this morning just because like after the questions with that guy that was referring me to the therapist's office, I think I was a little triggered. So my anxiety is a bit high right now. But yeah, we're still pushing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and record doing my makeup, and then we're gonna get on the train and get the fuck to work.
I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.P. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.P. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I living if you send an accent? These days, no quiet. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Fuck. Well, you can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.P. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.P.
Okay, so this is my fit. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna show this, honestly. I'm gonna show it to the best of my ability. Yeah, you guys to take off shit. Your girl gotta take off for work. This is the fit though. So with this skirt, I'm gonna wear my white Nikes or my white tennis shoes with this. But yeah, simple, you know. I'm sure we'll see the makeup more when we get outside. But yeah, I'm gonna just wear my white tennis shoes. Or my black bag again. I was thinking of wearing the cheetah print bag with it, but I don't know, it's not that serious. It's whatever. So yeah, the black's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get headed the fuck out so we can actually get to work on time and like not stress about the time. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm actually on my way to work. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the train, or you know, like get you know, wait for the train. Yeah, I'm being slow. I don't know. Kind of having like anxiety today, overthinking a lot. Like I said, well, yeah, like I said, like answering those questions that like the guy had to ask for me to like get a referral to like trauma therapy was like kind of triggering. I almost wanted to call out of work, but honestly I feel like it would have just made me feel like more not good or whatever, just being like down at home or anxious and at home all day. So yeah, I just needed to get out, and I'm gonna go to work and enjoy the day. So yeah. Okay, so I've been on the train for like 10 minutes. No, I don't even know. I think it's been like 15 minutes now. But we're going along. It's just like neighborhood so far. I'm still kind of close to Long Beach-ish. And yeah, this is sort of kind of city-ish, I guess. It's real neighborhood-y. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna keep going along. I'll probably show more when I get actually in like downtown. And honestly, you guys probably can't even fucking hear me, so I'm gonna get one of those tiny microphones soon. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I literally had to move fucking train cars because there was just like weird ass shit going on at the one I was sitting at initially, which honestly is why I didn't want to talk much. Like that. Hold on. Now I'm sitting over here, it's way more fucking quieter, and there's just like kids talking in the background, so it's nicer. Way more lighter energy over here, honestly. Still neighborhood. Okay, I'm gonna be switching trains soon, and I'm kind of nervous because last time I got on the wrong train. So we're gonna hopefully that we get, you know, all the right train. Okay. Whoa. It's always good to ask for help, y'all. I asked this lady for help on which train I should get on because yesterday I got on the wrong one. But yeah, if you're a girl, I would suggest asking a woman. Find a woman. Yeah, because they're
KTE line, Expo Park, USC Station. For race tickets, go to NASCARFlash.com. See you at the race.
We better be going the right way. Where the fuck am I trying to go? Actually, damn, hold on. Which way to go up? Okay, again, always good to ask for help. But I asked the cop for directions because I don't know. Going upstairs. Yeah.
7th Street Metro Center or Union Station instead.
He directed me.
Via the J Silver line.
He directed me this way and said it was a nicer exit also, so. It looks like two different exits. I'm gonna just go to the left because I think this is the way I went yesterday and I came out fine. So, yeah. I'm just tired from all this stuff I'm walking. I really need to get something to eat too. I'm hungry as fuck. I haven't eaten since like 9 this morning. It's like, I don't know, it's like almost 3:30. Yeah, that's when I have to be at work. So it's like 3:05 now or something. But maybe I'll walk somewhere and grab something to eat or like a snack or something. I'm really hungry. I also feel like I should dress differently today because, yeah, I don't feel comfortable walking around by myself. So we're gonna gauge what to do with that. I wish there was like vending machines at work, but they don't have any in the break room. I hope I came out on the right side. I'm going up escalators, but wow, this is not where I meant to come up at all. Okay, wrong fucking exit. Where the fuck? Yeah, I don't even know where I just came out at. I'm pretty sure it's the wrong side. So I'm gonna go back down to hopefully come out the other side and be where I'm supposed to be. Yeah. This is really trifling, honestly. I really want to be at my job already because I have mad anxiety right now. I don't know, why the fuck did the cop just send me over here because he thinks this is a nicer exit when I'm supposed to be like on the other side of the fucking thing? Like, ugh. Bro, where the fuck am I going right now? Oh my god. Hopefully this is the right side. Hoping. Now the escalators don't work and I have to walk up the stairs. Okay, now I know where the fuck I am. My job is damn. I just walked up like I don't know how many flights of stairs, y'all. Yeah, look at that. Light to turn so I can cross. I know I always gotta wipe the lens. I made it to work. Now I'm about to go clock in and get settled, and yeah, just started on the second day of training. Hey, I made it. Hello. Is there chips? Oh, hello. Okay, that's cool. Okay, yeah, so I came over to like a little corner store type of thing to get me a snack because I'm really hungry and I haven't eaten since breakfast still. And thank you. Got some things to snack on, and I got some chips. I really did not want to choose either of those things because I'm genuinely trying to eat better, but like poor preparation on my end. I really need to get back into my fucking meal prep so that way, you know, I can eat like before coming to work and stuff and have enough time and things like that. But I just felt like I didn't have time today, which I didn't end up having time today. So poor preparation on my end. We're gonna do better going forward so we can make healthy choices and not feel like I can only pick chips. Yeah. Like, what was that? I'm waiting for the elevator to go back upstairs. My job is literally on like the 13th floor. Oh, okay, fine, so. I just had to do a restroom makeup check. I have to get the. Do you just wait out here for your meal to be done? Yeah. Wow. That is so pretty. I just can't. This is the view from my new job. Look at this awesome girl, Jessica. Hi.
Hi.
New awesome coworker friend.
Yeah,
finally, both nice. Dang. Oh my goodness.
Oh shit, look at how they have Pershing Square.
Yeah.
Shit looks like Miami. No, I'm kidding.
Girls. Okay, so I'm in the work office. Everybody else is gone already because it's like 8 o'clock at night. Yeah, so we're here at the office alone right now. But Jessica's in the restroom, so she's gonna come back. I'm not here on my second day by myself, but it's cool. Yeah, I don't want to film too much because I'm at work and I haven't asked if it's okay for me to film in here, so. Gonna grab a drink. Yeah, with the glasses. Okay, door open. You're behind. Hey, you found the chicken. Girl, I would too. Chicken is my, oh my God. I could literally eat chicken for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, no, I'm okay. Oh.